Pakinggan niyo yung sinasabi nila. Rian, pakinggan.
Pwede bigyan kita ng ganito.
What you this is, Rian? What? Hi guys, say
Uy, antay mo. Kumaya ka lang muna ganyan.
hi guys, say hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Wow.
Marunong yan. Kahit walang kausap. Hi, guys. Wow, this is my favorite.
Okay. So,
Makatulong muna. My name is Rian.
say my name is Rian.
What's yours?
Ha? Say my name is Rian. Say.
Ay, magpalit muna tayo. Hey, my quiz! Ito muna gawain ko sa'yo kahit ano.
Titingin mo. Say Rian, say Rian. Say Rian. So, you is so beautiful. Say, again.
Baka hindi na magkasya.
No! Okay, no.
Look at me!
Nabaliw ka na? Baliw na yung kapatid ko.
Smile.
Ha?
It's yours.
Yes, it's yours.
Yours?
Bad. Wow! Ayan guys. Kasi Rian, ang ganda ng outfit niya. Brown. Brown orange kaya yan.
Uy, brown po yan. Gusto ko yung orange.
Yung brown.
Ha? You okay? No, I'm not my face. I want to play now.
Di ba? Ang galing niya mag-English. Yay! So powerful!
No, I'm not safe.
Ha? What?
Hey, my baby, mine. This one.
Okay, mine. That's
Mine.
Upo siya gawan yan.
Mine. Hey, run. Hey, it's not kuha. Here's my crib.
Ano kuha-kuha? Ito yung part 1.
Bibili na akin ko eh.
Patapos niya kasi.
No! Wag na bigyan mo na sa kanya.
No daw. No daw eh.
My clay.
Ay, gawin ko.
Hindi ko nakuha clay mo.
Do you want love clay? You want so many clay?
No.
Ito yung ano niya, kapitbahay lang niya. Ayun o, si Angie. Hindi nakakain guys. Ito yun na lang yung part ni Rian. Say bye-bye Rian. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye mga guys.
Ano sabi?